This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the Pixel 8 Pro so you get usable photos immediately. First, charge and update the phone. This ensures camera algorithms and stabilization are current. Open the camera app and grant permissions. Without them, you can't save or tag images. Clean the lens for sharpness and choose HDR or 50MP depending on detail needs. Once done, select a mode, photo or portrait, and hold the phone steady with both hands to avoid blur while we move into exposure control and framing. Now you'll take control of the image. Tap the subject to lock focus and drag the exposure slider to balance highlights and shadows. This prevents blown skies or dark subjects. For complex scenes, switch to Pro mode, set ISO low for crisp daytime shots, lower shutter speed for motion blur, and adjust white balance to remove color casts. Change focal length for composition, ultra-wide for landscapes, 1x for normal, 2x for portraits. Make sure to enable night mode automatically in low light. Finish by reviewing your images in the Photos app and apply quick edits. Crop for composition, adjust exposure and color, or use Magic Editor to remove distractions. This refines intent and meaning. Export originals when needed and back them up to cloud storage so you don't lose work. If you run into problems, frozen viewfinder, crashes, odd colors, restart the phone, clear camera app cache, and confirm system updates. This resolves most issues and gets you back to shooting quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.